Hi everyone, I'm Harsha. This is the demo video of an AI application called Exam Compass. So this is very helpful for the students who are preparing for the exams. So we all have been there where if the exam is around the corner or exam is nearing, the person just panics and doesn't know what to revise, what topics to stress on. And yeah, so the interface is very simple. You enter your subject, uh, and you enter your grade or the class you're studying in, for example, third year engineering or something like that. And say, for example, you have exam in like the time for in how many days the exam is starts, for example, 12 days, 10 days, and also the study hours per day. How many hours are you planning to study? So, and also the target score is the the grade you're trying to achieve, the score you're trying to achieve. So based on that, it also gives you your available study time. So how many hours? For example, if I give in like exam is there in 15 days, if I'm planning to 15, so it tells you that there is a total 75 hours total for me to prep for the exam. And the most important and the vital uh, part of this application is the syllabus. So in case you have the syllabus in the form of PDF or the text format, or I can just type in the topics that you are expected to study for the exam. And these all things will be considered in the backend by the AI. Here I'm using the LLM OpenAI 5.6 GPT. So yeah, based on that, it gives you the realistic, the optimized study path. So you'll have a clear picture of what you are going to study, and by studying what you'll maximize your target score. So unfortunately, due to the lack of Open AI API credits unavailability, I'll not be able to show this completely. Thank you.